Hello guys, and welcome to another special class. Now in the previous class, we're going to design different layouts like what you are seeing here on my screen. Now in this class, I'm going to be designing our what am I calling it now? We're going to be designing our table of content. Yes, I'm going to be doing two kinds of table of content, those two design styles. Okay, just as I always say, these things are very easy for you to do. If you want to design table of contents, all you need to just type magazine table of content design. Just type it. Just play around your keywords with the words, and you will see. And you can see this style. You can see this style. You can see this style. Okay, you can see this style of table of contents. Okay, you can also see this style. So just play around it and you'll see a whole lot of styles that you can utilize. You can see this style. Okay, just can see this one. Okay, you can see there are a whole lot of them here that you can see. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, so all these things are things that you can explore, or you can just type table of content page layout design, and you see a whole lot of them. You see a whole lot of design that you can explore. So you can, the way we did our mood board, and we were able to pick out some projects and pick out different things from them. This is the way you do this too. So let's just do I'll do two different designs for table of content. And from there we'll move straight up to our brochure design. Then we'll head up straight to our Photoshop to present our books. So let me give this one black color. Let me remove the headline first. Let me give it black color. Okay, now let me bring out some images. Images. So all these images are all, I will send everything to you. Okay, so I will send a particular folder to you that contains images. So all the whole images we'll be using in this project is inside inside this folder called material. But let me check for the actual folder it is in. Okay, I will do that and tell you before we run up the class. Maybe I'll check the folder, what I name the folder with, and I'll tell you how. So all the whole pictures we use for this project are all in this folder. All the images we use are all in this folder. So okay, before I pick up any image, let me create something. Okay, let me draw a rectangle like this. Then let me put the images side. Usual image fitting. Then I'll click on it, the image now, and drag it like this. Just click on inside and drag like this. Click on my eyedropper to click on this green. I love this green and I want it to be here. So that is it. I've picked the color and I've applied it to the design. Then I pick my text tool and I type the word content. The font Futura bold. I'll make it 150. Okay, 150 is too big. Let's see. 150. Then I'll rotate it. Okay, you see it has changed. Hold my shift key and boom. I'll take it to the edge here. Okay, this one here, let me make this color white. Then this one green, that's same green there. Oh sorry, this text green. Okay, then opacity, I want to reduce the opacity. I'll reduce it. That's perfect. So this is what I'm looking for. Remove this line color. So this perfect. Okay, let me reduce this guy a little bit. Move this guy a little bit. Okay, then let's draw another line from up here. Then give it that same, remove the hairline, that same blue opacity. We also reduce it. Let's leave the opacity, let's leave it like this. So we can now type our text. Okay, let me type O2, which is page number 2. The font Bebas. Okay, let me increase it a little bit. The color, I want it to be yellow. This yellow here, pick it, use it here. Put it on the text. Then I'll reduce it like this. Then check it's okay like this. Number 2. Let me make it just. I'll select all of them. Go to my align. Okay, scroll down to my align to here, and centralize all of them and make everything distribute bottom edges. This one is distribute vertical center. Then I'll click on it. You see everything we align, the space in between will be the same. Now you see it. Then I'll click on my text tool. I can type anything I want to, the actual table of contents. Okay, so I'll just type making. All these things is not real, but you know, making the possible. Okay, then I just type something here again, like maybe let's another text. Okay, understanding the power of positive mind. Okay, then select it. Text Futura medium. But this the main guy should be Futura bold. Then maybe 14 text. 14 should be the size of the text. Then I'll bring it like this here. Okay, I'll reduce this guy a little bit. Okay, then it will be black, or I can change the heading to green. This green here. We just increase the. Let me put it. This leading. I'll make it 12 or no 16. 16 should be okay. Okay, I believe it's perfect like this now. Okay, I believe it's perfect like this, and so all I need to do is to copy, paste it here, copy, paste it here, copy, paste it here, copy, paste it here, copy, and paste it here. So you can see how our design is looking now. So I can select all and move to this place. Select this guy too and also move to this place. Then I can start changing the name. This one here, define you, just anything I like. This one is not, it's not a real project, so life borders. So just play around it. Future and plan. Okay. Dedicate something. Dedicate something. Finishing strong. Then this guy now that is 2, maybe we'll make it 21. This one that is 2 here, we'll make it 32. This one can make it 45. This one can make it 68. While this last one here, we can make it 77. So this is how it is. So we are done with this first table of content style. So I love how this one looks like. Okay, so you can select all again, then bring it down a little bit. So with that, we have something here. You can even increase the opacity to make it full. Okay, can even make the opacity full. Then depending on how you want to do it, or you can even bring this guy down here. Can bring it down here and also reduce it. So depend on how you want it to be, but me, I don't like it, I will delete it. Okay, or if you don't like this one too, you can delete it. Then you leave it plain like this. So depending on how you want it, but me, I love that guy at the top, so I will leave it like that. So the next one we're going to do now is another one. Let me just do that very quickly. So I've showed you already how to go about it. You go and check what people have done before. Then you can come back and create any design you want to create, provided you can use the tools here. Nothing should be difficult for you to achieve. Now we have something great like this. Okay, take it to the edge here. Then I'll carry my text tool and type table of content Futura. Futura is the text I'm going to use. Futura, centralize it and we'll make it big. Okay, let's make it more bigger. Okay, let's make it smaller. But this content here, I want it to be bigger than. Okay, then select all of them. Make it 18. Well, 18 is too small. The leading 30. Then let me just increase it from here. Then the color white. Okay. Then that is it. Okay, I think this design, I saw it when I was checking through Google. Just when I was showing you guys how to go about it, I saw it. So let me just do it sharply. Then click the line tool, then increase it to anything you want to increase it with. Okay, that is all these things. So what I just need to do, click on this guy, drop here, arrange, bring to the top. This one white, this one white also. So You can just play around it. Okay, you can even put it down here like this. Then you can pick it to the top here. Okay, you bring this one. Okay, let's bring this on like this. You left align it. This one, the same thing, you left align it. You bring it down. Shift it out a little bit. Shift this one to out a little bit. If you have more time, you can even use some things to measure it. Okay, that's like we measured our page that first time. Then you can bring one here down. This one, bring it down. How many it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. So you can see we have 2 page number now, but different. We have the same page number but different design. Let me make it more darker. Okay. So you can see this one is 02. Let me change this thing. 21. This one 32. This one 45. This one 68. This one 77. But with different text. Let's copy this guy, bring it here, paste it here, select everything, put it white color. Okay, so that's how we do. That's how we go. Okay, so that's how we do it. You can see, come here again, copy this one 32, come here, paste it here, copy it, make it blue, left align it, copy this 45, come here, paste it, make it white, okay, white, not blue, sorry, white, copy this 68, come here, paste it, copy it, make it white, then this last one, copy it again, come here, and make it white. Paste it first before you start putting color. Then this one, you left align this guy here. And that is all. So we have our table of contents set. So we have to, so you can just go online, check different designs there. You can use it as a mood board to create awesome designs. Okay, so we can make this one more darker, okay, or bam, so whichever way you want, or you can even pick this one here. I won't pick this one here. Ding. So depending on how, this one is depending on how you want it to be, okay. Or we can use this one, put it here, or we can use this and put it here. So depending on what you really want to achieve, then you are good to go. So for me, I like this. So until I see the next class. The next class we're going to be working on brochure, our 2-folded brochure and a 3-folded brochure. So see you in the next class. Don't forget to keep following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, all at Joshua Adejo1. And also don't forget to keep listening to the Creative Podcast. Every Thursday, new episode keep coming out. So something you don't really want to miss. So see you in the next class. Stay safe and keep enjoying yourself. See you there.